Welcome to this update from My Electric Earth. Here we are in January of 2019 and the snow is falling down from the sky, and what is happening with my order of the Tesla Model 3? Most of the interesting thing that happened was that I got a referral link or what you can call a referral code, and I will place this referral link here. Voila! Doesn't look great with a referral link? Yeah, what is now the referral link? Well, a referral link is something that I got that I can hand out to my friends and fans of a YouTube channel, for example. And you can use this referral link if you would like to order a Tesla Model 3, S or X, or order a solar system from Tesla. Then you will get the different kind of perks. For example, if you order a car, you will get 6 months of free supercharging. What is my motivation then to give out this referral code? If someone buys a car using my referral, I will get some perks. So, for example, the first car, I will be able to send an image to Tesla that they will laser edge onto a glass piece and then send this into deep space orbit for millions of years. The second car, for example, will give me a wall charger that I can use charging my car in my home. When you order your car, you will also get a referral link that you can share with your friends. This is valid now for the beginning of 2019. So when you are watching this, the perks can completely has been changed, or the referral program totally been eliminated. Check out the Tesla website. And also I got some access to the Tesla app, so I can log in there and see my personal information. I can also watch some videos that Tesla has made to instruct people how the Tesla is working. For me, that is in this business for a long time, it's not so many new things that is in these movies, but it's good for people that ordered the Tesla and don't have so much experience about this brand. Also, what I got information of from the YouTube channels that I follow is that the cars are now actually started to be shipped to Europe. There is a picture of a lot of cars parked in the harbor in California, and also news that actually ships are starting going in the Pacific Ocean through the Panama Channel and into the Atlantic Ocean and onwards to Europe with cars. And accordingly to the rumors, cars will be coming every week now in February for delivery to customers. And it will be exciting to see when the first person gets their Tesla here in Europe, what will happen and how it will be unveiled. If for sure it will not be me, because they are working in this way. Even if I have had a reservation from the first day, they have said that all the previous Tesla owners will get their cars first, and then the people that don't have a Tesla today will have their car. So I guess that there will be someone owning a Tesla already that will be one of the first in Europe to get the Tesla Model 3. It's so great because I heard so many YouTube stories that people are so excited about the Tesla Model 3 and they like it so much. So I really hope that I will have the same experience when I get the car. I also get similar comments on my previous videos. So we'll see what will happen if there will be the same kind of chaos here in Europe with deliveries that they are now experiencing in the United States. I heard that customer service in the United States are lacking right now because the organization of Tesla built for only delivering few cars of this luxury brand of X and S is not making it's not coping the amount of cars that they have to deliver, so that makes the customers suffer in customer service. And I understand Tesla that they have this problem. I wish Tesla good luck and hoping that they can solve this problem rather sooner than later. Since I'm not publishing episodes on a regular basis, it's important that you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future episodes from my electric earth.